Hello everyone, my name is Dion Hood and I am the founder and CEO of Future Generation Global Consulting. Today we have had an awesome opportunity here at the Microsoft Corporation in Irving, Texas for the Power Up Strategic Educators Leadership Empowerment Seminar. Our day is going to be an action-packed day because we want you to know educators.
It's the environment. Myself, along with my colleague, we are presenting a powerful tool which is called the Power of Personalized Learning.
I am also on the executive board for the Blacks at Microsoft.
On the count of three, I want everyone in.
Always, what is school about? Back to me.
Personalized learning goes outside of the curriculum sometimes.
I'm an educator for 18 years.
For 5 years.
10 years.
It's my first year in education.
I've been teaching now for 14 years.
I came to the seminar today to learn new strategies to teach in the classroom, to use in the classroom, to help grow my students.
With the speakers, they're all excited, they're upbeat, they're fun. It's not lecture, taking notes, it's interaction, it's engagement.
Ended up leaving with more than I came in with, so it was pretty cool.
When I get ready to do the seminar, I want this gentleman to come and share with you educators and principals that are in the room this information that can be a tool to help you power up your students.
My name is Renault Sanders, founder and CEO of School Economy. School Economy is a mobile app that empowers students to stay motivated and engaged in the classroom.
And most importantly, you must look at the data that will give you the tool in order to reinforce the content that students are lacking or that need to propel the students to the next direction.
So far today, I have been just motivated and inspired by these educators.
It has been a great experience for me, learning about the education field and how it's not just about the curriculum, it's how we empower students, how we empower our teachers to want to teach students in the 21st century.
Become wiser through technology that they're using through today.
So I hope that in the future, you will join us at the Power Up Strategic Educators Empowerment Seminar so that you too can be powered up for the next generation.